Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your USB microphone is not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I recommend to check your physical connection. Make sure your microphone is properly connected to your computer or device. Check the microphone cable for any damage or wear and replace necessary. And let's fix that guys. It's a computer based problem. Go to search menu and type troubleshooter settings. Open it. Go to other troubleshooters and go scroll down. Recording audio, run it. Close out of here. And you want to try this as well guys. Go to search menu and type services. Open it. Now we want to search for Windows audio properties. Windows, click anything here and type Windows audio, double click on it, and you want to stop it and you want to stop it and you want to start, apply and OK, and close out of here. Is the problem resolved? That's not a problem guys. If you not get resolved, check this, try this as well guys. Search menu and type control panel. Open it. Now we want to click on large icon over here and you want to go to sound. Now you want to go to speak recognition. Now set your microphone. We need to set headphone microphone or desktop microphone or others such as array microphone and build it other device. Want to select this and you want to select next, and you want to select next. Want to check whether it's working or not. After reading this you can proceed to the next page. You want to read this for checking this. That's what is for. Close out of here and go back. Go to sounds and go to recording. Here microphone. You want to, if you having any other device over here, you want to select that and want to set as default over here option, and you want to apply and OK, and close out of here guys. Now you want to try this as well guys. If you not get resolved, cmd type, run as administrator, click yes. Check my video description for this command guys. Go to my video description and copy the first command. Only one command I am given. Tap this bar and right click and edit, paste it, press enter. Hardware and devices, find fix problems with device and hardwares, apply repair automatically. You want to select this, enable, and go next. Close the troubleshooter guys. If you I think the problem will definitely clear for you guys. If the steps doesn't work, you may want to try resetting your Windows settings or contacting your microphone manufacturer for further assistance. Thanks for watching my video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely help for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.